Wow! Whoa! What is this?
It's a button vending machine.
What's a button vending machine?
This vending machine is kind of like a game. You buy buttons and it gives you clues to find real prizes.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Can I get a button? How much is it? I got my wallet.
It's $1 per button.
One button, please.
Perfect. Now just press the green button.
I wonder what it's gonna say.
When you wash your hands, you need a towel. Where do you get a towel?
When you wash your hands, you need a towel. Where do you get the towel? The laundry room.
I hope you solved the riddle.
Towels. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, nothing. There's nothing in here. I think I need another clue. Wait a second. I know exactly where you wash your hands. I don't need another clue. You wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. It's gotta be here somewhere. Towel. Sink. Cupboard? There's towels, but there's not a toy. Still nothing. Maybe I do need another clue. The bathtub! Nothing. Yeah, I gotta go back to the vending machine. Savannah, I can't find it without 2 clues.
Okay, can do. $1, please.
$1? Coming right up.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, open! Blue! All right, button, please help.
What gets wetter the more it dries?
What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. I already knew that. This will be pretty hard, but I'm determined and I do not need another clue. Where else do you wash your hands besides the bathroom? The sink! Inside the sink? No. There's no towels, so there's definitely not a toy. Where else do we keep towels? The towel drawer! Of course! The towel drawer was where it was. This is amazing! Can you steal his snacks? Why would you steal a dragon's snacks? Oh, it's just a game. This was so fun, and this toy's really cool. But I'm gonna wait to play it until later, because I wanna get more prizes. Savannah! I found the prize! It was so cool. It was in the towel drawer. I never thought of that until the last second. Can I have 2 more buttons?
That's awesome that you found it. Absolutely.
Open. Green and orange. My favorite color and my 4th favorite color. Woo! Perfect. Let's do my favorite color first.
Hello?
Hello? Maybe I pressed it wrong?
Hello? 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 Hello?
It just says hello! I spent a perfectly good $1 on this, and all it says is,
Hello?
well, goodbye.
Hello?
You're supposed to say goodbye.
Hello?
All right, give me a clue, please.
When you go to work or go to school, there's something that you sit at.
When you go to work or go to school, what is something you sit at? A desk! I know exactly where it is! The desk. Oh, wait. There's no drawers on this desk. What kind of a desk is this? Just plain old rocks. I mean, I like rocks, but I like toys more. I give up. I just can't find it. There's drawers on this side. There's no prize in here, but we don't have any other desks. I can't believe I missed this. This is definitely a prize. It's a volcano. A miniature volcano that actually erupts. It is so cool. I'm excited to build it. But I found that with one clue. I'm totally gonna look for one more prize. Savannah, I'm gonna get 3 buttons this time. It looks like 1, but it's actually 3.
Oh wow, are you sure? That's a lot of buttons.
Yep, it gives me more luck.
Alrighty, press the open button.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Try again next time.
Try again next time. This one's a prank button. Rude. This one's gonna be a good one.
Sorry, not this one.
Darn it. Another prank. My last button. This has got to be the one. What? It's not working. For a second it was like, and now it's broken. I gotta check how much more money I have, because I need more buttons. $1! I can only buy 1 more button. Let's hope I get lucky. If this last one isn't a clue, then I won't find the 3rd prize. Savannah, I only have 1 more dollar. Can I have a button?
Sure thing, Azbury.
Let's hope! I got my fingers crossed.
Okay.
Please.
Somewhere in a castle, this room is for the king.
Somewhere in a castle, the room is for the king? The master bedroom. Nothing. Also nothing. Pure white. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! No! Found it! It's a puppy! What a fantastic day! 3 prizes in about 1 hour! Woo!
Wow, Az, looks like you had an awesome time with my vending machine. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up